Hello and welcome to Standard 10th Geometry class. In today's class, we are going to start our new chapter, chapter 11, Constructions. Actually, this construction chapter is a part of our Unit 4. Unit 4 consists of 3 chapters, triangles, circles and this construction. And the weightage given to this unit is 15 marks. This is the highest weightage unit. So, and the construction part is very easy and interesting, and many these topics are deleted. Actually, the construction of similar triangles which was quite difficult, and that part is deleted from the syllabus. So now only interesting and easy topics are there. So let us enjoy this chapter. So begin with, we will see which all things you have already learned in previous class. So certain constructions you have done in class 9th using straight ruler and a compass. So let us see what are those. Last year we have seen how to draw some angles like 60 degree, 30 degree, 90 degree, 45 degree, 75 degree, 105 degree, etc. using compass. That means without using protractor. We have also seen how to bisect a given angle. Then drawing the perpendicular bisector of a given line segment. And finally, some constructions of triangles. So all these things last year we have seen in detail. So this year let us see what is new for you. So draw a line segment AB of length 6 cm and divided in the ratio 3:2 and measure the two parts. Right. If the question is asked for 3 marks or 4 marks or 5 marks, that means if it is at higher weightage side, in that case the steps of constructions you will have to write. So initially for few sums I will give you the steps of construction, and afterwards you can write those steps in your own words. Only thing, order should be proper. How you are constructing, same way you write them point wise. So to construct this example, let us see what are the steps of constructions. So the first thing what we'll do, we will draw a line segment of length 6 cm. Then we will draw a ray AX making an acute angle with segment AB. Then because the ratio is 3:2, so you just add them, 3 plus 2, so total is 5. So that means we have to divide that line in 5 equal parts. So you mark 5 points on that ray AX and name them as x1, x2, x3, x4 and x5. Same steps you have to repeat on the other sides. That means from the end point B, you draw a ray making same acute angle. Suppose on upper side you have taken acute angle as 50 degree, so below also you have to draw acute angle 50 degree, right? And there also you mark 5 points equal distance and name them as y1, y2, y3 and y5. Then how to join those parallel lines? Join point x5 with B and then go on drawing the parallel lines. So we'll see this construction how to draw in the form of video. So now we'll see how to construct this sum. So for that, material required is scale, this pencil, compass, protractor. So children, just for clarity, I am using sketch pen so that the diagram should look more prominent. But in construction, you will make use of pencils only, right? So let us begin with. So first of all, let us draw a line segment of length 6 centimeter. So here I am keeping scale and let us draw 6 centimeter line segment. Right, and name it as segment AB. So this is say point A and this one is point B. Now with the help of protractor, you draw acute angle. Now keep protractor on this point A. Now the segment is along the right hand side. So start from right hand side 0 and you can take any acute angle. So let me take 50-degree acute angle. It should not be too acute, so that the diagram should look proportionate. Right, now you join this point A and extend this ray. So this is your say ray AX. Now same way you draw acute angle at point B but in opposite direction, in downward direction. Now this time the segment is towards left hand side. So start from left hand side 0. So 50 degree is here. Okay. Now with the help of scale, you join this point B and this 50 degree marking. And further you extend that ray. So say this is Y point. Right, now you take some suitable distance in compass. Okay, so we have to divide this line segment in the ratio 3:2. That means the total number of parts is equal to 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5. Right, now you take some suitable distance in compass. Now keep the pointer at point A and draw 5 arcs. Say 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Right, and you name them as, say this point is x1, x2, x3, x4 and x5. Same way, without disturbing this distance, you draw same 5 arcs on the ray BY. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now here also you name these points as y1, y2, y3, y4 and y5. Now comes very important thing, how to join. Now you will have to draw parallel line. So for that you join this x5 with the and point B. So let us join this. Generally what children do, they join this first arc with the first arc of the other ray, and that is wrong. So join this X5 with B. Now X4 with Y1, X3 with Y2, X2 with Y3, X1 with Y4, and point A with Y5. Right? So in this way, we have divided this line segment AB in how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal parts. Now you have to mark a point which divides the line segment in the ratio 3:2. So that means 3 parts on one side, 2 parts on the other side. So which is that point? This is that point C. So because of this point C, 3 parts on the left hand side and 2 parts on the right hand side. So segment is divided in the ratio 3:2. I hope you have understood this construction. Now question number 2. Draw a circle of radius 6 cm from a point 10 cm away from its center. Construct the pair of tangents to the circle and measure their lengths. So first of all, let us see what are the steps of construction. So the very first step, with O as center and radius 6 cm, we will draw a circle. Then take a point P at 10 cm away from the center of the circle. Then third step, will join that center with the exterior point P. Next, then we will bisect that segment OP. We'll draw perpendicular bisector of segment OP, and where that perpendicular bisector meet OP, give that point as point M. Then taking M as a center and MP or MO as radius, we will draw a circle. That circle, new circle, will intersect the given circle, the previous one circle, in 2 distinct points, say point A and point B. Then we will join that exterior point P with these 2 points PA and PB. So these are the tangent segments. Then we will measure their lengths, and finally you write down the lengths of those tangent segment. 0.1 centimeter difference is considerable, not more than that. Right? So let us see the construction. So to draw this sum, first of all, let us take 6 centimeter distance in compass. So this is 6 centimeter. Now keep a pointer on the plane of the paper and draw circle with radius 6 centimeter. Right. Now let us name this point or center as point O. Now from this point O, we have to take one point which is at a distance of 10 centimeter away from the center. So this is 10 centimeter distance. Let us name this point as point P. Now you join this center and O and point P. Right? So you will get a line segment OP. Now we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of this line segment OP. So for that we will take approximately more than half of this line segment and draw arc. So with P as a center, draw two arcs, upward direction and downward direction. Now with O as a center, you draw two arcs intersecting the previous one. Okay. Now join these two intersecting arcs. You will get a line which is perpendicular bisector of segment OP. So this is perpendicular bisector. So you give those identical signs here, bisector, and this is perpendicular sign. Right? Now you take compass and you name this point where this line intersects segment OP. You name that point as point M. Now with point M as a center and radius is equal to OM. Either you take OM or you take MP. Both are same. So with this radius you draw circle again. Okay, and which will intersect the previous one in two distinct points. Let us name them. So this is that point where the circle intersects the previous one. Give this as point A and this point as point B. Now with the help of scale, you join this AP length and PB length, which are the tangents to the circle. So let us join AP and join PB. Right? So what are these two lengths? They are the tangents drawn from exterior point to the circle. And we know the tangents drawn from exterior point to the circle, they are equal in length. You can verify that. So let us measure the length of these tangent segment. So here I am getting length as 8 centimeter. And here also, this one also 8 centimeter. So length AP is equal to length BP is equal to 8 centimeter. I hope you understood this construction. Just watching the construction is not sufficient. Children, you will have to practice what we have learned so far. So for your practice, I have few examples and you have to draw actually by taking scale, eraser, compass, everything. So the homework questions are: question number 1. Draw a line segment of length 7.6 centimeter and divide it in the ratio 5:8 and measure the two parts. Right? So you will try this and try to write the steps of constructions in your own words in proper order. The next question is: draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Take a point at a distance of 5 centimeter from the center of the circle and measure the length of each tangent segment. And third is: divide the line segment of length 7 centimeter internally in the ratio 2:3. So till my next video lesson, you will have to solve these 3 lessons. Keep practicing, search for more sums and try to draw it. So till then, take care. Goodbye.